next month. Hi, Yubaba. Cause I don't want to every time anong hirap mag-English, tangina. Yung utak ko, babe, gumagano, no? Diba, if kaya mo naman magbayad ng tuition mo, bakit hindi ikaw magbabayad? Kailangan pang laging nakadepende sa parents. Kaya magsisipag na talaga ako, guys. It's fine, talk in Tagalog, I just listen. Okay. Hi, Delight. Hi, Adonis, but I don't understand. I just try to speak in English so that you can understand me. Well, I am not good at speaking English, but I know some words. But I'm not good. Good, ganon. But I'm just trying, you know? No, I'm not. No. Oh, okay. Okay. Wala nang ibang masabi, no? Hi, Jay. Hi, Sasa. Valen. Hi, Lance. Baliw. Baliw! Ano magandang tugtog, guys? I'm seeing your face with other people asking for. Yeah, a lot of people are asking here to private, something like that. But I don't do that. Hi, JP. I'm just here to make friends. Looking for friends.